How's it going, everyone? My name's Alex and you're watching Modified 3D. Today we're going to take a look at the December 2020 Alien3d UFO subscription box. Now this box came a little bit late. I know it's the beginning of January 2021 already. According to Josh, the owner of Alien3d, there were some issues getting some boxes shipped to him or something like that. So it got sent out late, and then of course USPS had to make a nightmare out of the situation. I don't know about everyone else's packages, but my package took about 2.5 weeks from the point where USPS actually issued the tracking number as sent out. So definitely not Alien3d's fault that they were sent out late. There's a couple compounding issues, but that's the reason why it's taken a little bit longer to get the Alien3d unboxing out to you guys. I promise I haven't gone away anywhere, and it's my New Year's resolution to get a lot more content out to you guys. So with that being said, let's dive in a little bit deeper. Alright, taking a look here, we got a nice Christmas themed UFO box, of course, for December 2020. Let's go and flip it around and open it up, see what we got here. Looks like we got a nice little Christmas card here. Nice handwritten note from Josh at Alien3d. Very nice little touch here. Just has a URL to show you all the information about what's in this box, as well as information on the project. For our filaments, we have a white PLA by Coex. Looks like just a nice little flat white there. From ZYLTech, we get this really nice blue TPU, which I've never printed with TPU, so that'll be interesting to see what that's like. It's definitely more of a flexible filament, so we'll see what type of cool stuff we can make out of that. From FilamentOne, we have this PLA Pro Select Glint green. It's kind of a glittery green PLA. Really nice Christmas color there. And we have from Filament.Ca, Canada's filament store, we have a Christmas red PLA. You see there, just a really nice kind of deep red. It really reminds me of the Iron Red by Paramount3D. And that's it for our filaments. For our project, as always, I have no idea what this is, so I will have a link down below or a little text box saying what it is, but I see some propeller fans, some motors, some resistors, some wirings, and looks like it is a autonomous hover sleigh kit. So that's pretty cool. Little Christmas sleigh that hovers. Definitely gonna have to do a video on making that. That'll be a cool little project. We've got a sticker to add to our toolbox. It says I'm stuck on 3D Gloop, which is this stuff right here. 3D Gloop PLA. I'm assuming this is either gonna be like some glue for bonding different parts together, or possibly something to help bed adhesion. I'll have in the description, I'll have a write-up on what this is. But 3D Gloop PLA. And of course, we got a little piece of candy, a sucker. So that is it for our UFO box this month. Let's bring it on out and tally everything up and get a final review. All right, so for the final review of everything, as always, I'm gonna value our filaments at around $5–6 a piece. You're getting around, I believe it's 50 to 60 feet here. Definitely a good sample size. So we got about $20 in filaments. The Sleigh hover kit, that's a pretty cool thing, to be honest. That's probably $5–10 worth of parts there. We'll say $5 to be conservative. So we're at $25. This 3D Gloop PLA, I'll have down in the description what it's actually worth. My guess is probably about $12 to $15 for this tube, putting us we're right around that $35–40 mark, I'd say, for this month's Alien3d box when it comes to value, which is really close to what these things cost, about $36. There will be a coupon code where you can save some money down in the description. If you're interested, go ahead and click that link. It helps support the channel as well. I really appreciate that. If you have any questions, feel free to put it down below in the comments and I'll make sure to get to them as quick as possible. With that being said, I hope you guys had a great holiday and can't wait to get on and see what type of madness we can get into with the 3D printing world this year. My name's Alex, and this is Modified 3D.